Choosing a career path can feel overwhelming, especially when you've spent most of your life focused on sport. So many options, so many unknowns. Where do you even start? The truth is, there is no one single path. Every athlete is different. Your strengths, your interests, your mindset. That's why your career direction should be personal. Today, artificial intelligence can help simplify that process. Instead of guessing, you can explore opportunities based on who you are, your skills, your preferences, and your potential. Imagine having guidance that helps you connect your experience in sport to real professions, whether that's business, marketing, coaching, entrepreneurship, or something completely new. Not by telling you what to do, but by helping you discover what fits you best. With Athletes AI Compass, you can explore different directions, reflect on your interests, and gain clarity about your next steps. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need a starting point and the right direction. Your future is not one fixed path. It's full of possibilities.